Location, location, location. This fabulous custom home has an amazing setting and is close to town. It has its own 1+ acre lake stocked with fish and features a beautiful electric fountain. This one-of-a-kind property is priced to sell at only $549,900. This is a view of the back of the home from across the lake. Isn't this breathtaking? Notice the ducks on the bank who call this lake home. The fountain in the stocked lake has an electric pump. This beautiful site with highway frontage features perimeter fencing, landscaping, mature shade trees, and is a combination of woods and pasture. The French country-style home has PELLA casement windows, hardy board siding with rock accent and 3 floor-to-ceiling fireplaces with stonework which you can see coming through the roof. It also features a gorgeous covered porch with a view of the private lake behind the house. Perfect for small children or the family pet, this back patio area has chain-link fencing around it. Scattered shade trees and the covered deck give you a nice place to sit and enjoy the beautiful view of the lake and patio. The beautiful native stone fireplace on the patio is inviting on cool nights. Notice the gorgeous patio brickwork in the equally beautiful rock wall. The stunning 2-story entrance features a see-through fireplace, vaulted ceiling, stunning windows above and lots of natural lighting. It also features beautiful hardwood flooring and a gorgeous wood and metal handrail surrounding the stairs leading to the basement. The see-through fireplace in the front entry is stunning. It's also gorgeous on the living room side and features floor-to-ceiling stonework and planter shelves above the arched doorways. The living room features beautiful hardwood floors and lots of natural lighting. With a large arched opening to the dining room and kitchen, you get that feeling of an open floor plan even though it really isn't. Your kitchen has a dining area plus a breakfast bar, all with lots of natural light. The floor in here is tile. The kitchen and dining area are open with an arched doorway leading into the living room and French doors leading to the back deck. Kitchen features include custom altar cabinets, granite countertops, walk-in pantry and recessed lighting. The kitchen also includes an island. Notice the tray ceiling in the dining area and the 2 sets of French doors in the dining and the living room. Located off of the kitchen, this room has a ceiling fan, arched doorway and a large bright window, making this beautiful office lush yet comfortable. This spacious master suite includes hardwood floors, 2 walk-in closets and large bathroom. It also includes a fireplace to the left of the large window. Overhead you can see the lovely tray ceiling and ceiling fan. Master bath features a beautiful garden tub with custom tile and dual vanity sinks with granite countertops. It also has lots of natural lighting and a vaulted ceiling. The master bath also features a custom tile walk-in shower. The shower includes built-in shelves and seating.